so that I can. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, now we start with. Where is it? Oh, we started already. Okay, not this one, not this one. This one now, this is intermediate. This is taken from the Sec 1 Express book. I think this is from here, And Express is doing in A, you know. And normal academic, you're doing this in B. So they want you to find what's D, B, C. D, B, C. And DAC. Who is this? Rahana coming. If you try to do until advanced, until you cannot tahan, then we yeah. But for now, we try. Once you're done, please do send me your DBC number 1. Sorry, I cannot see what number. You do both, Number 3. Sorry. Anybody. Okay. Hey, and what you doing in school, Hey? Can you just message me, Hey? In school, what you doing? Shafika, you say angles, right? So this is the topic, right, Shafika? You mentioned angles right just now. And prism also. Which chapter is that? Do you know which chapter that is? You're using this book, is it? Yeah, no, you're using the discovery. Prism. Okay, you're doing a volume and all that. I can't remember. Okay, surface and volume. Okay. All right, next week we'll come to that now. I thought this is too far ahead because some of the schools is like too slow. So I wanted to go further. I'm afraid that some of the topics is cancelled. So if we are doing that next week, we will do that. Okay, come on. Any answers? Not. You know which? They're asking you for D, B, C. This angle down here. Let's see. D, B, C. Rahana, what topic are you doing in school, Rahana? Can you just send me a message?
Doing revision.
Revision, what topic is that? The whole book, whole of B book.
Yeah.
You have finished the whole book already? Yes, sir. So fast, Are you sure now? Can you just ask your teacher which topics are not tested so that I know? Or all topics tested? Okay. Here we go. Can you all do not? Nampak macam blur je. Now this is what is this? It's a rhombus. Okay, let me just share with you a little bit about rhombus. Okay, rhombus. Where is it? Where's my thing? Now you can see this one. Rhombus. No, down here. Okay, rhombus. Okay. Now let us look at the images down here. Rhombus. Notice rhombus are secant square. Their diagonals meet at 90 degrees. The diagonals meet at 90 degrees. Remember that, huh? This is a key thing in rhombuses, you see? Diagonals meet at 90 degrees. So you know how to do that now. You should be able to know how to do. And then these angles are all the same lah. These two angles are the same. These four are the same. These four are the same. If you want to, okay, you have a look again. Can do or cannot do? You can do. You can do. You want DBC. DBC. Come on. 加油. Rana, what about you, Rana? Don't tell me, I do not know what it means. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's 5%. Shafika, come turn on your video, Shafika. Why you don't turn on? How come every week you don't want me to see you? Next time I meet you, I do not know who you are. So I see, look at Ilhan, he's handsome, is he? See, I see handsome ni tutup video. Aduh. Okay, come. Chicken. Okay, cepat. 1 minute more. Hayan can do, Hayan. Kambi cannot do. And DAC, impossible lah. If you all do not know how to do this one. This is the intermediate in Express, but that doesn't mean it's not tested normal academic. It's tested also. Sometimes the normal academic questions too easy. Remember, the diagonals meet at 90 degrees. All is 90 degrees. Once you know this, is very simple, right? Once you know this, what they meet at 90 degrees. That's why I show you the rhombus in the internet. It to show you 90 degrees. So here is coming. Can, huh? One person is not your Sophia. Aduh. Jangan marah ya. Okay, well done, Hayan. Hayan has gotten it, and Hayan, well done. What about DAC? Come on, DAC. Very easy, DAC. You can do it in 1 second here. Kun fayakun. The power of kun fayakun. Who is that? Zahira with Shafika. Together. Oh. Just now you say Zahira is with you. Here, the second one is not the same. How come you put 36 again? Not possible, you know. You look at it carefully, Hayan. Come on, look at it carefully, you can. Come on, Zahira and Shafika, come on. Give us the answer, DBC. Shafika, you're an Express, right, Shafika? Sophia is here. Okay, Sophia will get answer very fast. I think she should come in last, but she's gonna get answer. Sophia, can you give us answer DBC and DAC? Come immediately, faster than the rest, please. Come on. Hayan, well done, Hayan. Well done. Hayan got it, yeah? So I'm going to give the answer to you, very simple, okay? Now, you just look for, let's say, DAC. Can you see not this Z, this Z? Zing. Hey, come on, this is 54 lah. Okay, just because this is categorized as Express in the book doesn't mean it's difficult, but easy. And then what about this one? 180 minus 90 minus 54 got 36, finish. Hey, we have not gone to advanced. We're going to go to advanced shortly, you know. So I need you all to be able to do the intermediate one. Okay, we move on to this one now. You know what's trapezium, right? Two sides are parallel. Let's see now, Shafika. Shafika, how you get 72? Tak boleh lah, Shafika. Don't take your answer and Zahira answer and plus together. Cannot. Zahira and Shafika, don't plus your answer. You get wrong. 36 plus 36 is 72. Cannot. We did not plus the answer. Then how you get 72? Okay, never mind. We try this one now. We try the next question. BC equals to BA. Wow, Shafika, very fast. Which one are you doing now? Earlier one. Earlier one is correct. Yeah, earlier one is correct. Okay, earlier one is correct. Come, try. Shafika, number 2. BAC 54. Okay, I'll check shortly. Check shortly. That's it. We'll run through shortly. Hey, Ian, you got also 54. I don't know how to do. Okay. You know.
Mr. Shaheed, Shafia, remove her.
Okay. Huh?
Remove
Remove.
Shafia. That one not me. That one not me.
Ayo, Shafia, this girl lah. Different Shafia. This one remove her. Allah Akbar. Okay, come. I don't know how to do. It's not from you lah. It's from now. I get confused now. Who's who? Okay, 1 minute time. Here, here. I just got here. Sophia, what about you, Sophia? BAC 60. Cannot be lah. BAC look very big. You know, you look at it. More than 90. 68 also cannot be. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Sometimes did I tell you about the horses? I told you about the horses, right? Sophia, did I tell about horses the other day? No. Yes, I told about horses. About the young woman, old woman, I showed you all. The duck and all I show her. No. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Now, this thing about angles, okay. We come to this in a moment, BAC. We come to this in a moment. Let's see. 68. Okay, wait. BAC, yeah. Wait. Possible here. Possible. Let me see. I think I was looking at the wrong one. Okay, minus 60. Come, you get that. Okay, never mind. Okay, this thing now, I want to show you something. I do not know whether I showed you all or not, but this one on here, you must remember horse riding, and there's blinkers now. I think I mentioned to you, these horses, they are wearing images so that they can only see in front. You look at it carefully. This is not to protect their eye from dust. The dust will flowing in like that. They can see forward. They want to block their eyesight from what? You look at this person now down here. Can you imagine now? Around him, surrounding them, there are thousands of people, perhaps hundreds of people, spectators. You don't, let's say, you put spectators. There are so many people there. So the horse might get nervous, So because of that, can you see the number of people down here? So if the eyes now are looking down here, it's going to be worrying for them. So they need to focus. Now, same thing. You have optical illusions. You know optical illusions. You must, in angles, the trick is to be able to see differently in different ways. So let us take now optical illusion. We take young woman, old woman lah. I do not know whether I down here. Okay. You can see now this one. Do you see an old woman or young woman? Here you can see the old woman, or old woman can see now, or young woman. Young woman you can see. Okay, let's see now. You must be able to see both old woman and young woman. All right. Add me. Shafika, do I add you now? I do not know whether I add you or not. I add, yes. Okay, now. So now if you cannot see, I want you to look at this now. Okay, I draw for you. Rahana can see now, old woman, young woman. This is the chin of the young woman. Can see now the chin. The chin. She's looking away lah. This is the eyelids. The eyelids. The nose is just here. Young woman. This is her hair, black hair. She's looking away. Can see now. She's wearing something on her neck, like a something, Can you all see that? But now you look again. Look again. This is now the eyes of the old woman. Can see not the eyes of the old woman? Can see not? This is the big nose of the old woman. Can see? Can you see not? This is the mouth of the woman. This is the chin of the woman. Doing the angles question is something like this. You must be able to see the young and old, different angles. Let us try one others now. Whether you can see this one. Let's see now. Okay, we try this one. Can you, what do you see down here? This one. Some of you will see an old man. Some say, I can see a river. A Mexican man with a Mexican hat riding on a horse. And below you can see someone sleeping. Can you see both of it? Can see both or not? This is the old man, the hair down here. This is the eyes. This is the janggut. But then you look at this as a horse. This is someone sleeping. This is a man on a horse with a hat. This is the river or the sea. You must be able to see in two different ways also. This one, what about this one? What do you see? You see the lady here? You can see also a big nose down here and a mustache down here. These are different ways of looking. Different ways of looking, okay? Okay, let's see. Optical illusion. What do you see? You see a young lady. They are saying there's a young lady in this picture. I do not know whether they see a young. Can you all see? I can only see the man with the sombrero lah. The young lady. Maybe I got to look at it again. Okay, can you all see young lady? Anyone can see? Zahira can see the young lady. You draw, show us where's the young lady. Come, draw, show us. I'm not talking about you, no. Don't say, I can see the young lady where I look inside the mirror every day, I see young lady. I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about this one here. Can you see the young lady? I so you do not know. Okay, but never mind lah. If you can see, anyone can see, you draw. Anyone can see that? Where? Don't point like that. I also do not know where you're pointing. Draw lah, draw. Where is the young lady? I can't see. Okay, never mind lah. Okay, we do not know. Maybe this is the trick. Maybe there's nothing there. But this one, it looks, can you see that? This looks like a woman, but it also looks like a man. With the nose, with the janggut, the mustache. But anyway, we come back to angles lah. Dah cukup lah. So down here now, you must be able to see. See what? Sometimes you don't see too much. You just take like that, Okay. Now down here, how much is it? 60, right? Then you go for the other one. What's the other one? See what the other one? This one down here, how many degrees is this one? These two are parallel. If this is 60, the whole thing, 180 minus 60 get 120. So down here is 120. And then this is an isosceles triangle. 180 minus 120, answer is 60 divided by 2, get 30. So BAC is 30 degrees. I hope you can see that. Reflex angle, what is reflex? More than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees. Where? ACD. They want this angle down here. What is this angle? You must see what they write down here. Reflex, no. Reflex, what does it mean? More than 180 degrees. So can you find what's the angle, please? Yes, Ian has given answer. He says 128, but this is more than 180 degrees. 128 is smaller. They want reflex angle. They do not want this one now. Bigger. Come on. Down here you found out it's 30, right? Okay, Ian has given. This one so 30 lah. Come on, Ilhan. Come on. Sophia. Okay, Ian say 232. Let's see. 30, 52. How much is this one? 180 minus 30 minus 52. Minus 82 lah. You get 98. 360 minus 98. You get 262. 232. No, this is 30 degrees. No. Are you okay? You understand or not? Shafika, you understand, Shafika? Zahira can get it, not Hian? Don't know whether you all get it. I hope you all get it. Where's who is this girl? Let me check. Sorry, I need to just see who. Rahana, you get it, or Rahana? Rahana, you get it? Yes. You just put like that. I do not know. Ready, true or not? Okay, we try. We try. Try the next one. Look, you guys must be able to score at this one. This is considered not so difficult lah. Okay. This one down here. Parallelogram. They want CBE. Where's CBE? I will label for you if you want to. CBE down here. This is CBE. Then BAC back. Down here. Reflex again. Remember, reflex. Okay, you are given 2 minutes. 2 minutes starting from now and go. We want to revise 3 topics if possible. 2 minutes and go. Okay, Sophia, very fast. Let's see whether you're correct for the first one. I just want to say but I say Yeah, congratulations, Sophia, for the first one. Well done. Well done, Hian, for the first one. All right, let us see. Yeah. Well done, Sophia, for the second one. And what about you? 283 is which one? The last one. 283, I don't think is correct. Shafika? The reflex angle is not 283. They want ACD, you know. ACD. So where's ACD? ACD. From here, enter down here. That's what they want. One minute more. Then I will explain. Sorry, Sophia, it is more than 180 degrees, Sophia. Look, very big green angle refracts. It's more than 180 degrees. Congratulations to Miss Shafika. Well done. But what about A and B, Shafika? Okay, we will run through now very quickly. Yeah. CBE. Very simple. 180 minus 53 minus 46. You get 81. This one down here is 81. Just angles in a triangle. And then next one, can you see now? You're not looking at carefully if you cannot see. Watch, zing, zing, zing. That means this is also 46. Hey, this one is 46, you know. Here. The whole thing is 77. Take 77 minus 46, you get 31 here. Now we ask you, if you know this is 31, you look at it carefully. Look at it carefully. What do you see? I show you now what you can see now. Okay, watch. Now, if you can see this, you can watch. Zing, zing, zing. This one angle down here is 31 degrees. Take 360 minus 31, you get, as Shafika has written, 329 degrees. I repeat, down here now, you can see now it's alternate angles, you know. This one is also 31 now because you just found out it's 31. Zig, zig, zig. 360 minus 31, you get 329. Those of you who are writing your answer is less than 180, you're not reading this. Reflex means more than 180 degrees. Okay, we move on again. You must push yourself. Guys, this tuition, you got to push yourself. You don't push yourself, that's it. You're wasting time. You try now this one. Find the values of X and Y. 2 minutes and go. Zahira, is that you entering? Yes. Yes. I let you enter not, Zahira? Yes. Okay. Now got to check. Very scary, man. Yeah. Okay. Now, Sophia, they are not asking you what is 6x, but you must find out what is x and what is y. Okay, Sophia, I got to check. Let's see. Hayan, well done. You got your x and y. Congratulations. And what about the rest? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Very simple. I'm going to run through it. Got time's up. These two, you add up how much you get, 180 degrees. So you can write down in your equation. Let's say you write in your book, 3x plus 9x is equals to 180 degrees. So altogether 9x. So you want to find what is x. X means what? 1x. Well done, Shafika. You divide by 9. X equals to 20. Good. You know this angle here is the same as this angle. This angle is how much? 3 times 20 is 60. No, y is not 60, 80. Y is 60, Miss Shafika. Miss Shafika, this one is 60. Y is also 60. If you don't believe, down here will be 120. 180 minus 120 is 60. But you know that these two are actually equal. Okay. So this is quite simple, quite simple still. This, look, boys and girls, is not tough, not so tough. You can handle this. Even when we are going to go to advanced level in a moment. You can handle it. You can handle it. All you need to do is believe in yourself and look in a way you can find the answer. But if you give up, you're not even looking, so you cannot find the answer. Okay, well done. Yes, Shafika. Sophia, you know what to do, right, Sophia? You understand, Sophia? Where is Sophia? You know how to find. You ask you for x and y, not for the angle. Okay, 2 minutes and go. Well done, Sophia, for BCD. What about the rest? If you're not taking your dinner, you can eat and do, okay? Don't wait until too late now. You know, if those of you, if you eat, immediately after that, you go and lie down. It's very bad. You might have reflux problem. I have a friend in Malaysia. Indian had cancer of the throat. You know. Why? Every time before he will makan rice, he lie down. Come on, BCD, BCD. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see now. Shabika's an answer. Well done, Shabika. Well done, Hayan. Well done, Sophia. For the first one. Can you try the second one now? ADC. ADC. Now, ADC, they didn't ask for reflex now. When they didn't ask for reflex, Miss Sophia, you must go for the not reflex one. Okay, so they ask ADC, this one. This one cannot be more than 180. is smaller than a straight line. Only if they say reflex, then you find the other way around. Okay, here, let me see whether you're right. Hold on, huh? Congratulations, Ian. Well done. Well done, Shafika. There's a trick to this one, to find it very fast. Hey, Shafika. No, Shafika does not answer. I saw Ian's answer. I thought it came from you. All right, I'm going to explain in about 20 seconds. Try your best to get an answer before I explain. Okay, here we go. Watch, this one, no, it's not 102. This one you'll get right. You know this is 78. But actually this one, this plus this, 180. So take 180 minus 78 minus 44, you get 58. But this one now, how to find, this one is 78 because it's isosceles. So what to do? Now watch this one now. You can do the zing zing. What zing zing? Sing, 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 and song. That means this 78 is also 78 here. This is 78, this is also 78. So how much is it? 78 plus 78 are 156. Now you want to check whether this is correct. Let us try. We add 44, we add 58, and we add 78. This must be equal to 180, because angles in a triangle. Let us see now. Does it? That's another way of getting it. Okay. 44. I'm having hiccups now. I do not know why. I'm feeling sad. 180, yes. So this is 156. Okay, 156. Zahira, are you sad for me? Zahira, happy. Yeah. I'm sad. Because my voice is like that, Zahira. Okay, well done. Here we go. So 156, easy, right? Okay, we move on. I think we go to advanced. We go to advanced. This one too easy for you. Advanced, where are you? Advanced. This is advanced in the what? Express book. Let's try. For Shafika, easy because she's an express stream. Shafika. Sorry, my hiccups like that. I do not know why. C, A, B down here. A, E, D. This is B. A, C, B. And this is. So I better mute myself and drink water. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Sophia, is this for the first one? I don't think it's correct. The first one is not correct. Sophia, where are you, Sophia? Is it first one? You give the answer. Cannot be lah. You look carefully. First one is very easy. I'm telling you, it's very, very easy. If you're not seeing it, you're not looking for it. Yes, Sophia, well done. Zahira, yes. Well done, Zahira. Let's see now. Sophia now give the answer. Oh, that's for C. I have not checked for C yet. Huh? How come you get C so fast? How come you get C ni? You are doing C before the rest. That means you must have. Are you sure you found C? ACB. Okay, hold on, Zahira. Let me see. AED. No, no. No, 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 no. Zahira, no, no. Cannot be 19 for B, yeah? I think you're correct for this now, Sophia. That is the answer for B. Correct, yes. That is B, yes. Then I show one line means A, two lines means B, three lines means C lah. Here, well done. Here, your first one is correct. Your second one is correct, sir. What about the last one? Last one I'm still doing now. Once you get that, you know already. You know already, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. ACB, yeah. Sophia, well done for A, correct? Anyone else? Rahana, what you doing, Rahana? Come on. Rahana not doing now. She's not doing. What is she doing? Very suspicious. Huh? Okay, I will have to explain. Huh? The last one, come on, you can do not last one. ACB. Okay, check. We'll check whether you're correct here. Let's see. Yeah. First one. Very simple. You don't even need to calculate anything. Watch. One. Oh, sorry, we use a different color. Lah. Okay. Purple. One. Then two. And then three. This 36 equals to 36. Finish. So first answer is 36. 36. Oh, no. This is 36. Next one, this isosceles triangle. These two angles are the same. 180 minus 138, 142. Then 142 divided by 2 lah. What do you get? You get 71. Once you get 71, you got to put it here 71. This is also 71. If this is 71, how much is this? 180 minus 71, you go 109. So this one must be 109 also. This is also 109. Come on, girls. This is a parallelogram, you know. You know this is 36, what? Are you sure this one is 36? Let's see. 180 minus 36 minus 109. What do you get? 180 minus 36 minus 109. 35. Some 35 lah. You say only 1 degree. Yeah, but your method may not be correct. Down here is 109. It has to be 109 here. Then these three angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, no problem. We move on. We move on. We move on. We move on. Now, again, this is advanced from the textbook. This one, a new discovering textbook. This one. Express one. You look at the Express doesn't have a normal academic here. Normal acad, they have normal academic. So you try. 2 minutes, and go. Okay, Sophia, just a moment. Let me check the answer whether. I'm still thinking myself. Okay, hold on. Sophia, I'm not calculated the answer, but I will check for you. Since you are very fast, let's see. Question number 14. This. Okay, we're gonna come shortly. Just checking. Number 14. Okay, Sophia, whether your answer A is correct. Sorry, both are not correct. Heian, your answer AGB is correct. AGB is correct. Heian. Sophia, both not correct. You gotta check. What about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? 1 minute more before I explain. I myself have not solved it, but I believe I can solve it. So of course, you teacher. No. Sometimes I cannot solve it, What's this? Okay. Heian, for A is not correct. A is not correct. According to the book, is not correct. Maybe it might be right now. Zahira didn't send me. Let's see. Okay. All right. Can I explain how? Now let us find. Can you find what's the whole angle here? You find what's the whole angle here out of here. See, why this whole angle? 180 minus 66. What do you get? You get 1, 1, 4. Am I correct? 1, 1, 4. Let me see. 180 minus 66, 114. Then remember, this plus this equals to, actually, you don't need to, down here is 66, right? Sorry. Zing is 66, the whole thing. 66 minus 31, you get 35 down here. This is 35. Okay. If this is 35, watch. You have this one is 35. Can see now. You see the whole thing down here. Okay, I show you by down here. This one, 1, 2, 2, 3. So this whole thing is 66. 66 minus 31, 35. Okay. So this one is 35. How you get 35? Watch the second one now. Brown. 1, 2, 3. If this is 35, this is also 35. So we have the first answer, which is DBC is 35. Now, how to find the others? We got to find out what's the others now. How to find this one? This one is how much? This one is 31, right? You see, zing is 31. So down here is 31. Oh. This one is 31. Can you find this one now? You can find actually. Down here is how much? Watch. Zing. This one is 52. Can see now. This one now is 52. This one is 31. 180 minus 52 minus 31. How much do you get? 83. 180 minus 83. You get 97. So down here is 97. I repeat. 180 minus 52 here, minus 31 here. Now, I think you will be able to do if the worksheet is before you. Because this is virtual, it's quite difficult for you to manipulate. So it's okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, we move on now. Okay, I want to do only the difficult ones. Okay, you try. You try this one. Okay, I'll make it bigger, slightly bigger. You can do this. Shafika, you are doing angles in school, Shafika. You're using this book, Shafika. Rahana, what you doing, Rahana? Dia tidur lah, Rahana. Rahana, wake up. Bangun.
Yeah, eating.
Oh, you're eating. Alhamdulillah, for the first time, you're eating during tuition. I'm so happy for you. Come. Let's try. Read the instructions carefully, yeah? Very fast. Yes. You wanted, okay, the answer in. Your A is correct, right? You got A, that's not correct. Okay. You wanted to tell me something. Okay, let me see. I go to think. Sophia, come on, Sophia. Are you okay, Sophia? You can do this, Sophia. BAD. Bad. That's the title of Michael Jackson's record, one of his records. Oh, Sophia, you really got the answer. I am not even calculated yet. You are so fast, Sophia. What is your secret? I use Palmolive. Okay. All right, let's see. Hold on. You might need to draw it out. Those of you who can't see, you might need to draw it out. One, five. What's your answer? Well done, Sophia, for A. Very good, very good. What about BDC? You can find this, Come on. Everyone not turning on video lah. Come, 60% of the class turning on video. Come on, guys. Thirty seconds left. Is it tough? Come on, it's not so tough. Remember what I told you. You need to be able to see, distinguish between, look at certain things first. All right, I'm going to run through now. Sophia has really gotten the first answer. Now they tell you that what? ADE is isosceles. When they tell you that, it means two of the angles must be same. This and this are the same. So this one is 75. Okay, because that side is 75. So okay, back Hayan, well done. So now, if you look now, I'm going to draw this so that you again you are able to see it. This is B, A, E, something like that. This here is 75. Okay, this is 75. What's the whole thing here? Look, they are parallel. So they must be 180 degrees. Add up together. So 180 minus 75, 105. I see. Now can you see now? The whole thing is 105. The whole thing is 105. You minus 75, you get 30. Answer number 1, 30. Now, how to find the next one? BDC. Where's BDC down here? Very easy lah, BDC. Can see now. How come you cannot see ni? BDC, right? Watch ah. Zang. Alamak. Zang sing it. Here we go. Zing. Zong. Zing. Come on, this is the same thing as what? 59. 59. This is 59 degrees. Can see now? The Z. The very last one. What is FDE? Alamak, now it's so messy. I'm going to remove this one now. So, you know what? FDE. FDE. The last one. You cannot take it. 75 right now. Yeah. FDE. This small one here. Yeah, very simple. Very simple. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can solve it a single step. In one step, you can get FDE. Come on, come on, FDE. What is it? The answer down here is number what? 15, right? Yeah. This one is 13 degrees. How do we get 13? Now I show you. If let's say now you have a triangle and then you have a straight line. This angle is equal to these two angles. Add up together. So down here, this 88 is equals to 75 plus this. This is the shortest way. But many of you don't understand this method. See, how is it true? So I'm going to enlarge it for you. Yeah, I'm going to enlarge it for you. Then you can see. Then we do slow motion method. Okay. So now this angle, as I said, is equals to this plus this. But you say, no, some of you may not understand this. So okay, never mind. We do long cut lah. What is this angle? Say 180 minus 88. What do you get? You get 92. How to find this one? 180 minus 92, you get 88. Then minus 75, you get 13. Yeah, I hope it's easy enough. Huh? Hey, hello. You all are gone already, gone case. I don't know, kau dah penat lah. Semua dah penat. Okay, we change topic. But look, we can actually focus the whole of today on angles if you want to. But if you're not around, I also do not know whether we should change. Angles is easier than the next few, no? I think we focus on angles today, then we don't do angles anymore, Ken? Okay, no? Okay, now only for today, angles. After that, no more angles. But I'm giving you the difficult one. You try this one now. You can do this. You can do this. Believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Voice angles, you have to believe in yourself. 2 minutes. I go and get something. 2 minutes. Semua orang dah tidur. Hey, wake up. Apa ni tuition tidur no? Oh, Sophia send answer, Sophia. Sophia says A is CBE. Let's see. CBE. It doesn't look like it, but maybe you're right. I do not know. I'm not too sure whether you're right or not. I'm gonna check. First thing you need to do, boys and girls, is you need to read the instructions. This is a rhombus. What is a rhombus? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So all is 90. 90. Can do or not? This one, remember 90. All the diagonals, they meet at 90 degrees. So they want you to find CBE. CBE, and they want to find beef. BEF down here. Okay. Let us see. Okay, you can surely find this angle. This is the same also, 35. So you find this one, how much is this? 90, 35, how much? How much is that? 55. You can find this already. And the answer cannot be, don't know B. A, but A is not correct. Your A is not correct. Okay, so now you can find 180 minus 55. What do you get? Okay, you get what? So you get 125. Okay, 125. Take 180 minus 125 minus 18, you get this A. Okay, which is what? I can give you the answer now. It's 30, 35, 37 degrees. This is 37 degrees. Now, there's another method. I told you about another method. What is the other method? Down here, remember, let's say now we have a triangle like that. I'm actually drawing this down here. This is a triangle. If this is 55, look, this one is 55. These two interior angle add up will become 55. So you can just take 55 minus 18, you get 37. Can see now. This here is 55. 55 is equals to 1 plus 18. So you take 55 minus 18, you get 37. But if you find that so confusing, never mind. Take 180 minus 55, get 125. 180 minus 125 minus 18, can, no problem. Now, BEF. Anyone? Can find lah. This one is also 35 what? This is also 35. 35 plus 35 plus how much? So you got 37, right? Plus 37. Take 180 lah, minus this 3. You get this answer over here. Okay, 90, 80, 73. Down here is 73. How we get 73? 180 minus 35, minus 35, minus 37, you get 73. So this plus this plus this is equals to 180. 180 minus this 2, which is 180 minus 148, and the answer is 32. I do not know whether you all okay now. I hope you all are okay. Okay. Is it difficult? It's not so difficult. But it all depends on you, whether you can tahan or not. Okay, some of you cannot tahan online. Some of you, right from the beginning, you're looking at something else. No one can force you. Oh, this is the last question. Okay, so we have done all the advanced questions, Okay, let's try one. This one is intermediate, the last intermediate question. Can we try this? Find BCA, Find CAD, find ABD. BCE. I think today we just do all angles. We have only 25 minutes more. So after this, no more angles anymore, because you should be champions at this. Very fast can get the answer. I think here got answer already. Well done, here. And one more person got answer. Who is this? Sophia, which one is B? CAD. Let me check. CAD, I've not tried. But most probably you may be correct. Let's see. 42. All right, well done, Miss. What's her name? Sophia, you got the answer correct for B. And what about A, B, D? A, B, A. 82 cannot be A cannot be 82. A is not 82, Sophia. BCA, no. BCA down here. Very easy. You look at it carefully. Young woman, old woman. You can get your answer just kun fayakun. Kun fayakun. Just like that. A, B, D. Where's A, B, D? A. How come they ask A, B, D? A, B, D is down here, no? Did they ask the correct question? I'm not too sure whether they asked correct question. Hold on, hold on. Yes, the second one you're correct here. CAD. So maybe I do not know. Is ABD correct? In Sec 2, they are asking these sort of questions. Maybe they're getting used to ABD. So they want you to find this one. Can get. Okay. You know what shape this is? Can you see not the shape like that? You look carefully, yeah. Do you know what is this now? You must know what this is now. What shape is this? Like that. You know what shape is this? When I was young, I used to catch this. I was almost killed actually. We had seasons, layang season. This is called a kite. Now let us see something about kites. Okay, we must know about these creatures. Okay, they're not creatures, but yeah, hold on. Kite. So let us look at kites here. K-I-T-E, kite. Kite and rhombus. Maybe I put it there. Look, kite and rhombus, there's something very unique. When you draw the diagonals, what is a diagonal? From one corner to the other corner, opposite corner, and you draw the internal, you get 90 degrees. Same thing for kite. Kite, you draw, you get 90 degrees. All right. So this, you must remember, this 90 degrees is 90 degrees for kite. So we go back to this, you will see this. That's now here. I draw for you, right? I drew this, right? But you want ABD. I draw like ABD. This one is 90 degrees, no? Do take note, Okay, can solve. Of course you can solve. Down here you say this how much? ABD, yeah? You say this is 14. Okay, we start. Okay, first of all, we go down here. That's now, I just am going to go through the answer now. Okay. This one now, you can see the zing, zing, zing is 42. Can see now. Sing, sing, sing. This is 42 degrees. And then, okay, after that, you take 124 plus 42, 180 minus them, you get 14 on here. Okay, good. If this is 14, this is also 14. But now you have 14 and this is 90. What is this? 180 minus 14 minus 90, you get ABD, which is this question number 11, huh? Which is 76. Okay. Are you okay not? I don't know whether you're okay, right? Okay. Now, it's quite unfortunate that you all are, yeah, okay. We move on, we move on. Okay, can we try question number 13? 2 minutes again. 2 minutes again. 3 questions. Okay, later we'll look a little bit more deeper at kites, huh? So that you all know you can even make kites. And I can tell you some adventures from my younger days, if you want to lah. I was almost killed. In fact, I was injured actually chasing a kite. But you see, why chase a kite? Well, I'll tell you now in a moment. Eh? Wow, Zahira, let me see very fast. ADE, number 13. Eh? But there's none. No. ADE. Cannot be. Which one is 104? This one is less than 90, no? ADE, right? Less than 90. Come on, you can do this, Zahira. Come on, come on, come on. Sophia already gotten. Yeah, Sophia, well done. Sophia, what is your secret, Sophia? Your B you have not done, Sophia. You do CACB. Sophia, no, can't be. ACB, right? ACB. Cannot be, lah. Try again. What about the rest? Raihana, finish eating now. Taka, you eat all the way. Come on, Hen. You sang it already, Hen. Come on, Hen. Go into Express. This is too easy for you, Hen. You must push yourself. Okay, you can do, but you know, if you all don't try hard enough, won't go lah. You must try hard enough. Here, oh, Hen, sorry. Oh, Hen, you sorry, you give the answer here. So sorry. Maaf, Hen. Hen, ADE, dia kata the jawapan is cannot be lah. How come you get that? Your first answer is not correct. Okay, Zahira, come on, Zahira, I'll show you. This one now they tell you is this is what? Is isosceles. Isosceles will have two equal angles. Which two? You see that the one not touching each other is 52. This one must be 52 also. So here, 180 minus 52 minus 52, you get 76. Now, if this is 76, this is also 76. Yes, Zaira. And then this one is how much? 76 plus what equals 180? 104. The whole thing is 104, Miss Sophia. You minus 36, you get this. What is this? Minus 36, how much? Okay. Do you want to, sorry. Do you want to find a CAB? CAB, then you get 76 also. Let me see. 104 minus 36. 68 lah, this one. Because the whole thing is 104. What? How you get 104? This plus this equals to 180 degrees. If you cannot see, I need to draw for you. Okay. Remember, you must be like the horse. You need to be like the horse lah. You say no. You sometimes need, like sometimes you watch TV. There's nonsense, right? So sometimes you need to close your eyes. Sometimes the thing they talk about is bad. You got to close your ears lah. In fact, if someone controlled inside how you close your nose, you don't need to tell. Busuk, close your nose. Now, you watch TV, it's nonsense. You must close your eyes. Down here, sometimes you need to see only a part. So down here is 76. This one is how much? This one is 104 lah. 76. 180 minus 176 get 104. So if this is 104 down here, this is 104. Whole thing, Allahu Akbar. How come this thing, 104. Then one part is 36. This 36. Take 104 minus 36, you get 68. Sophia, you get this, Sophia? Oh, dah penat lah. Penat lah. Don't be penat lah. The last one, ACB. Number 13, come on, ACB. Oh, B is 36. CAB. Oh, down here, yes, sorry. This one we have not done. 36. Okay, maybe you all are right. It's 36 now. How you get 36? Because it's a Z lah down here. Zang, Zing, Zung is 36. Okay, well done. So this 36, 68, 76. You can do this. It's quite easy. Now, let me just show you a little bit about kites lah. Okay, because you all are a little bit tired. I will tell you about in the olden days. Olden days means when I was young. We had seasons, no? You all do not know what I'm talking about. What is this old man talking about? You don't call me Ola, you're so bad. Now down here, last time we had this season. No? Layang, kenapa tok ni? Layang season. Do they have? No, down here, they don't have. Old Singapore. Okay, maybe I put down here. Old Singapore kites. Something like this. Okay, you imagine people flying kite, but they fly kite everywhere, no? From the HDB estate, they will fly the kite. When I was, this is like in 1970s. And then our string down here, making glass string. Thread lah. For kite fighting. I do not know whether you've seen this. This one, we will use this one. I do not know what this is. But we will put the glass down here. You look at this, what we do. How to make this thing. We break the glass bulb from the corridor, you know, or people throw the glass away. So we take the batu losong. You know batu losong? I will use my mother's batu losong. Let's say. You know batu losong, right? Batu losong. This one. We put the kaca inside, you know, and we tumbuk tong, and then what do we do? Then we mix with a special mixture. So it's like glue like that lah. And then after that, we will take the thread. We will pull this out, the thread. Then this thread got glass, you know. So when you fly, when the thread of one kite cuts the thread of another kite, kena potong. And then we had a rule. And this is the whole of Singapore now. The rule is what? When your kite is cut, it is free for anyone to take it. So everyone will run. I was almost knocked down by a car. In fact, I had on my leg now, there is a lalang plant. You know lalang plant? I ran through lalang grass. You know lalang plant. This lalang plant, you see nothing, eh? I ran through this like this. I still remember. The kite was floating. I ran through. I was so happy I got the kite until I looked down on my thigh full of blood. So lalang can cut. Sharp lalang plant. Let's see, do they have sharp edges lalang plant? I do not know whether you can see. You must look now here. Be very careful. This at the side here, it is like saw, you know. So when you run through it and you don't have kain, your skin get cut. That time I was running in shorts, you know. It was full of blood. Just run through. Be careful, be careful. This is called lalang plant down here. Next time you go and check, it looks like daun pandan, but don't bring it home and then pass it to your mother. Say, Ma, I got daun pandan for you. This lalang plant, you can cut paper, can cut the thing. Okay, down here, I don't. Oh, this is the seed. Anyway. You all should try to make a kite. So now, what is the kite? How to make a kite? This is where the principle or the degrees come in. This one is how you do. Remember, this is 90 degrees, right? But you don't do it like that. Okay. You put the glue. This is not the right way. You bend it down here. Bend it. Last time, our olden days one, they bend like that. No? And then they put it up here. This one is penyapu lidi. They use penyapu lidi here. You know penyapu lidi? You shoot the. You all do not know penyapu lidi. You want to make kite? It's actually very simple. Penyapu lidi. This one. You take out this thing. You just take normal paper. You cut into this shape. Then you make it curve down here. Right to the end. Your kite is ready. And then how do you tie the string? Tie the string like this. You put one down. You must tie the string like that. So that the string is like this. This now, then you take another string. Let's say the glass string. You tie down here, and then you fly. You can go very, very high. There you look at this one now. Can you see now? Can you look at the line down here? Do you notice? It's curved. This is the olden days kite now. But our olden days kite, they are different color. Now I don't find it anymore. No one does it. So why is it the Singapore government, I think, banned kite flying? You know why? Some of you may not know this. I just explain. Okay, airplane, crash, birds, enter, engine, let's see. Not boats, birds. This one. You know, when it enters inside here, you can see all these birds flying right across. When they are taking off, the birds enter inside here, the whole thing rosak lah, and they can crash. So that's why it's not allowed lah. Kites, I mean, imagine if it enters down there, not be a problem. But yeah, you can see this lah. You can see. I think they even have a documentary. I saw a documentary on this. Let me see. See how birds can down let me see. Do we have one on YouTube? Passenger plane hit by bird. Okay, we have a look at this one. Okay, this you must know lah a little bit about this one. Okay, you cannot say I do not know anything. You must know. Okay, down here.
Delta 1063, flighting 185, contact departure stage.
And Delta 1063 has had an engine failure on the right engine, declaring an emergency due to a bird strike. All right, departure Delta 1063.
So the bird enters somewhere here, no?
Failure on the right engine. Request the visual return back to 1.
This is only one bird, you know. So can you imagine if you fly kite masuk inside here, mati lah. How to? And then Singapore is such a small thing. In fact, you all may not know about this. No, Singapore have had. You all do not know. I just show you again another one. Singapore had a crash of the Silk Air. If you don't believe this happened, I think when I do not know before you were born. Silk Air crash. More than 100 people died. You know, the plane Silk Air crash. Yeah, Silk Air 185. What happened? You can see this is the flight. Huh? This is from it crashed in a river in Sumatra, killing all 97 passengers. They have the cemetery in Singapore. They created the memorial, not cemetery, memorial. There has a Chua Chu Kang cemetery. There's a memorial near there. Not Chua Chu Kang, some place. Let me see. We can check this out. I do not know about this. So Air flight 185 cemetery memorial. We look at the images. So this is in Singapore. They construct this place. This is memorial. The bodies are not there. This is in Singapore. 97 of them died. See, even Maliki Usman is there putting a wreath there. They try to remember the person. Actually, you know what happened for this one? The pilot committed suicide. Wanted to collect the insurance money and then crashed the plane. I think so. So anyway, now we have a rhombus. Can we try this? Come on. Hey, everyone sleep already lah. Hey, come on lah. Only Hayan alone. Hayan and me je. You all bad lah. Hey, Ilhan, Rahana, stop eating in your sleep. Come, we do one last question. Rahana, come on. Aduh, so bad. You all leave. I talk about other things. I thought you all are bored. This one from just now eating, drinking. You're not eating your dinner. You are eating cookies and all that. Hey, I was eating bread, you know. Aduh, mami lagi. Don't eat your papa and mami lah, please. Okay, come. come. We try this. Remember the rule I told you. Hey, these are things that are real, you know, about Silk Air. See, what do we care about Silk Air? I just care about my life. Okay lah, up to you. You must find out about what's happening in the world also. Come on, number 10. Ilhan, are you awake? Ilhan, wake up. Zahira, Shafika, as-salatu khairum minan naum. Prayer is better than sleep, but it's not prayer time now. Only for Isha lah. Wah, Sophia very fast. Sophia, what's your secret, Sophia? I use Palmolive soap. Is it true? Are you using Palmolive? No, shampoo. Says, my hair is now beautiful. But I'm so sorry, I cannot show it to you. Come on. Zahira, Hira, Ilhan. Ilhan knockout totally lah, Ilhan. Habis, pengsan dia. Aduh, that means the tuition is helping you not. Semua blank screen aja. Ilhan, wow. Ilhan, in your sleep, you can send me the answer, Ilhan. Let me see whether you're right, Ilhan. EDC. Aduh. EDC, come on. Hey, this is not 100 plus lah. This one, okay, let me see who got the. Sophia say 55. Hey, this is rhombus, no? Come on. The other one is BAD, bad. Easy. Okay, I'll show you no rhombus again. Takkan you don't know. Rahana, you must be the one to see this, Rahana. Come on, rhombus. Say, I'm seeing. But what are you seeing? Now, come. Rhombus, look at the diagram. Then you'll know the angles. Now, down here. Rhombus, okay. This angle, this whole angle, they divide by 2, you know. So if this is x, this one is also x. How many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see. This angle, what about this angle? This angle also divide by 2. This one also divide by 2. So you call this y. Y, and y. So you only have 2 angles. They're all the same. It appears 4 times if you include the diagonals. So now you go back to your question now. You can do this. How come you cannot do this? Come on. Very easy. Rahana, offer. Mommy. Come on, Rahana. Don't call my name, please. Are you at home, Rahana, or at grandma's place? Oh, why is one eyebrow on the right thicker than the left? Oh, okay, your hair. Because from the camera, see, how can it look like from a foreign country, the very thick eyebrow. In fact, we did one movie on that. It's called Sifu and Tonga. It's a movie that I wrote, actually. It's a crazy movie. But anyway, and down there the director made the eyebrows join together. Okay, let's see now. So very simple, boys and girls. Oh, 9:30. But this one is 35 also lah. Remember, I tell you 4 angles are the same. This one is also 35. This one is also 35. Remember, rhombus, you have 4 of the angles the same like that. If you draw the diagonals. And then what about the other side? BAD. BAD. Look, this one is 35. You can take 35 plus 35, 70. This one is 110, finish. Now, if you want to know what is 110 divided by 2, you get 55. This one 55. This one 55. This one 55. Easy, you know. So I won't go through angles anymore. I think, alamak, you all already why you all run away? Hayen was able to concentrate until the last 5 minutes, he disappeared. The rest, I think, left already. Okay lah, we'll see you next week then. I hope you can concentrate better next time. Assalamualaikum.